Hello, my name's Michael Bass and I'm a product engineer with Clutch Industries. Today I'll be talking about Technical Bulletin 37. This relates to Ford Transit 2.4 litre turbo vehicles. The kits that this relates to are DMR2220N, R2220N and R2254N. The only point to remember and focus on with this technical bulletin is that the vehicle contains an automatic gear shift feature, so there is no clutch pedal. So when doing a clutch replacement, it is important to do an electronic control unit reset or an ECU reset. This is essential. If this is not done, harsh changing of gears can be experienced, noises, etc. The flywheel of this vehicle is actually doweled to the crank of the engine, and therefore resetting of the ECU unit is critical. If you require any further support with this technical bulletin, please contact Clutch Industries on 1300 369 787.